When it comes time to find a mortgage company, how in the world do you find one you can trust? A trusted lender can mean the difference between a stressful and stress-free experience. That's why I'm sharing a few reasons why Cornerstone and the Hallford Team is a better way to mortgage. My name is Josh Hallford with Cornerstone Home Lending, and here are 4 reasons why we stand out from the crowd. Number 1, we don't pressure you. What I love about my team is that we will never pressure you to pick a home loan program. We'll sit down with you, make sure you understand everything available, and discuss the pros and cons of each program, all with zero pressure, so you can make the best decision for you and your family. Number 2, communication is a top priority. Communication is our middle name. We make it a priority to stay connected every step. My team will call, text, and email you with regular status updates so you're never in the dark, and we understand how important it is to be informed. So we'll be in touch every Friday with updates and just an email or call away for questions and concerns. Number 3, we have fantastic resources, and not only do we partner with some of the best real estate agents in the state, but we also do everything in-house. Between myself, our pre-qualification experts, closing coordinators, underwriters, and much more, we're all in-house. That means we can communicate quickly, cut through red tape, and always close on time. Number 4, we can close on time every time. Our priority is to always stick to the closing date. We understand the importance of getting into your new home, so my team works hard to get you to closing table quickly, on time, and stress-free. If you're ready to take that first step, you can fill out our pre-qualification form. It's quick, easy, and free, and it will give my team a good idea of your goals and timeline. Click the link above. Thank you so much for watching. It would mean so much if you'd like and share this video with your friends. I'll see you next week.